Welcome Springboard Academy. Good morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are fine in these 2 months holidays. You are very happy to you are eagerly waiting YouTube online classes. So today onwards we have started here classes. I will teach you science subject. I am Sudha. Today I am teaching science subject, one topic for you. Already you know this, but I have to revise this one. What you are forgetting in these holidays, I am telling again. Okay. Children, you are already good students because of your good manners and good habits. But I am sure to say again, you have to follow this all good habits. Then you have to better for us. Okay. First one, get up early. Okay. Daily you have to wake up early and sleep early because our body metabolism is not working properly. The sleeping timing hours is less, then our body is not working properly. So you have to sleep regular timings. That is good for you. And after wake up, you have to brush your teeth every day 2 times, morning and evening. You have to brush properly because you are sleeping in the night time. The germs will produce on your mouth. So you have to brush every day. And you are eating something junk food or everything, the food will be instead in your mouth. So you have to brush your teeth regularly. And after brushing, directly you are eating food? No, don't do like that. You have to take bath. Okay. Daily twice you have to take a bath. Okay. And after take bath, you have to pray God because God gives everything to us. So you have to every day pray to God and respect elders, parents, teachers and everyone. If you are not respecting, you have to hesitate to others and elders. What happened? Your life will be spoiled. So you have to treat grandparents with a polite manner. You have to take care with us. Okay? So respect your elders. And in your surroundings, you are observing some animals. Some people they are beat us and some are throwing stones on us. So don't do that. You have to be kind to the animals. If you hurt them, they also have life. So why you hurt them? You have to be kind to the animals. Don't hurt them. After praying, what you are doing in your home? You are eating some food now, so that food will be healthy. You have to eat proper food, fruits, fresh fruits and leafy vegetables. Vegetables you have to take regularly. That is good for your health. If your brain is healthy, then automatically your body also healthy. So eat fresh food. are you doing? In the school time, you are going to school. When you are going to school, you have to wear clean clothes, not untidy clothes you don't use. You have to use clean clothes you are using, and clean shoe you have to use in your school. When we are going to the school, you have to behave like this in proper manner. They are like you. Everyone will be like in good manners only, na? So you have to follow this one. When someone is talking, when two members they are talking, you want to talk with them. So when don't interrupt these two members when they are talking. You have to wait your turn. The topic is completed. After you have to go and you have to talk with the two persons. Okay, so don't be interrupt with others. When you have to meet someone, so first you have to say hi and hello, how are you? Okay, when you are meet someone, you have to say hi, hello and how are you? Okay, and someone want to favor something you. What would you say? You have to say thank you. Someone favors something, you have to say thank you. Okay, and someone says you want something from others. So how can you ask? You have to ask, please give me, like that you have to ask politely. And someone, you should done something wrong. What will you say? You are saying like that? No, you should say sorry to them. Okay. So don't interrupt with others when they are talking, and you should meet someone, you have to say first hi, hello, how are you? And someone they want to favor with you, you have to say thank you. And someone you want something, so how can you ask? Please give me that, you have to ask. Okay. If you are done a mistake, what will you say? You have to say sorry, I done a mistake. You have to say like that. If you are neglected, the people also neglect you. Okay? If you are done any mistake, what will you say? Say sorry. So children, you know all these points. You are very good children because of your good manners. So I will teach you some points here. You want to poem? If you want poem, I will recite this one. You have to follow with me. I will say poem now. You have to follow with me. This is the way brush your teeth early in the morning. This is the way take your bath early in the morning. This is the way pray to God early in the morning. This is the way wear your clothes early in the morning. This is the way wash your face early in the morning. This is the way wear your clothes early in the morning. This is the way go to your school early in the morning. So children, you know this poem. You have to follow this poem. You have to remember these all points. I hope you have to follow all these points. Then you will be a good students, a good children. Okay. Thank you for all. I will ask you questions on this both true or false. You have to answer them in WhatsApp and you have to send it me. Okay, I will give you here true or false. You have to answer them in your papers and you have to send through the WhatsApp.
Okay, start. Continue.
And we should not give respect to our elders. Should get up early. We should not wear clean clothes. These 5 lines true or false you have to complete. Okay, it is very easy task for you. You have to complete. Okay, thank you for all.